You a traditional bachata lesson. First, a little bit on the history.
So, bachata originated in the Dominican Republic and it started out in the 60s. 1962 was the first recorded song by Jose Manuel Calderon, and since then it started becoming more popular through various avenues into the 80s and 90s, and now we have Dominican Bachata, Modern Bachata, and Sensual Bachata that all encompass bachata today. So, shall we get into the lesson?
Let's get into it. How is traditional bachata danced differently than modern or sensual bachata? Let's see. So we're going to turn around so you can see what you need to see, which is the hips. So how do we move our hips in traditional bachata? So the answer to that is we move them more and a lot more. And how do we move them a lot more? It's actually by traveling less. So notice that if we travel a lot, okay, it'll be harder to shift our weight and to move our hips. We will demonstrate with big steps right now, right? You see the steps, the hips are still moving, okay? But now watch as we stop traveling or as we travel a lot less. Do you see the difference? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You see that? Yes? So that's one of the main differences, okay? Now we're gonna turn around for the second difference, okay? First difference is in the hips, less traveling, okay? Second difference is in the arms. In sensual bachata especially, and especially for followers, there tends to be a lot of styling. Yes, I'm not gonna attempt to demonstrate it, okay? Since we have a pro here, okay? So, but in traditional bachata, we tend to keep the arms neutral, okay? So right around a little bit above your belly button, okay? And we keep them neutral. And how do we move them? Because we don't just shift our weight and leave them here, yes? So we pretend we're reaching for our elbows, okay? Now we're gonna kind of exaggerate this so that you get the step, okay? But you don't wanna dance bachata like this either, right? At first, when you're practicing, you want to reach, 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 reach. And then naturally, you'll start to see that your hands start to move like that. As a result of your weight shift, okay? You'll see it starts moving naturally, okay? Now, the third thing we haven't talked about is the toe to heel technique, okay?
For traditional bachata, we are always using the ground as energy to have all of our movement be driven. So we are going from our toe all the way down, massaging the floor to the heel and shifting our weight.
So one important thing you might want to consider when you're doing that massaging of the floor, yes, or massaging the floor, is you don't want to
bounce up and down.
No. Okay, you want to stay neutral, okay? And you're massaging. We're going to exaggerate it here. You're not necessarily going to dance bachata with your knees up like this, okay? But it's a good way to practice that massaging of the floor, to really feel that toe to heel, yes? So, to recap, 3 things, okay? 3 main differences. Less traveling or no traveling, so you can really shift that weight and really move those hips. Second thing, neutral arm movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, or reach, 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 okay? Third thing is massaging the floor. Yes?